Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to upload high quality video to Google Drive and share link on mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your drive. I'm going to click on here, open up my drive. Having opened up your drive, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on upload. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to your gallery. So I'm going to click on here. Then you have to go to videos. Then select the video where you have it. And I'm going to simply scroll down and choose a video file that I want to upload. I'm going to simply select this particular video right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to swipe down, and then you have to locate and then click on silent right here. Then click on upload here and swipe to the top, click on resume. All right, successfully upload. Then what we want to do is to refresh our drive. Then we have the video right here. Now let's see how we can simply share link of this video. So what we need to do first is to simply click on the video. So you can see the quality of the video still remain. What we want to do next is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots from the top. Then the next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on share. And the next thing we want to do here is to simply click on here, not shared. It's going to take us to this page. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on restricted. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing we want to do is to change it to anyone with the link. So having choose anyone with the link, it simply means that anyone on the internet with this link can view the video. Then we can also click on here to assign some stuff to them. So we can make them a commentator. We can also allow them to edit the video. Or better still, we can just leave it in viewers. So having selected the options, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on the icon right here. It means that you copy the link. Then you can paste the link and send it to anybody you want to send the video link to. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to upload high quality video to Google Drive and how you can share link on mobile with anyone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.